Intimate messaging can mean different things. It could be sending nude or partially nude photos or videos, sexually suggestive texts, or having explicit conversations online. People might sext with their partners, friends, or even strangers. It happens because it's so easy to communicate through messaging apps and social media. This video looks at the dangers of intimate messaging and shares tips on how to stay safe when using phones and the internet. The risks from intimate messaging can be immediate or long-term, affecting your emotions, school, and even your legal standing. Let's look at the different problems that can come from intimate messaging. Once you send an explicit image or message, you can't control where it goes. It could be forwarded, shared, or even used to blackmail you. Knowing that someone might share your private pictures or messages can be really stressful. If someone leaks your content, it can lead to cyberbullying and make you feel anxious, depressed, or even have thoughts of hurting yourself. In some places, intimate messaging might lead to legal consequences. It can also lead to trouble at school, affecting your grades and future opportunities. If your sexts are exposed, they can harm your reputation. This could lead to judgment from potential employers, colleges, and friends, making it difficult to move forward. Intimate messaging is risky because trust can break. Technology can be unpredictable, and the internet never forgets. It also promotes a culture that objectifies, especially women and girls, reinforcing stereotypes and harming real, trust-based relationships. Despite the risks, smart choices and open discussions about intimate messaging can help you stay safe. Follow these steps. Think before you send. Only send messages you'd be comfortable with everyone seeing. Don't pressure others. Respect personal boundaries and never force anyone into intimate messaging. Beware of fakes and phishing. Be cautious of scammers using intimate messaging to steal personal information or content. Open communication and trust. Encourage safe, open discussions about intimate messaging among youth in educational and home settings. Focus on healthy relationships. Prioritize building relationships based on trust and respect over engaging in intimate messaging. Know how to react if faced with intimate messaging scenarios. It's okay to say no. You can change the subject, use humor, or plainly state your disinterest. Avoid opening explicit messages. If opened, tell the sender you're not interested and request deletion. Report unwelcome sex to the platform or a trusted adult. You're not alone. Dealing with intimate messaging can be challenging, but thoughtful decisions and open communication can enhance safety. Speak up if uncomfortable, and remember, informed strategies can help you safely enjoy the digital world.